So yeah, this is what we have, the first opening that we have, and this is for absolute freshers, right? And this is we have opening in Mumbai, and this is for the pen testers, right? So we have been web application pen testing and APT probably, right? So I'm just getting a message from approx 4 to 5 days for this opening. So if anyone interested in Red Fox Sacks, then they can join this company, right? This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and this is like this is immediate joining. So if you have even 1 year of experience, then if you send your email uh, resume to this mail, then probably you'll get a very quick response, right? So just apply here, freshers. Next opening that we have is basically for the people those who have knowledge in web application pen testing, API pen testing, and mobile platforms. Like as I told you, Android and iOS, right? So they want minimum 2 to 4 years of experience. 2 years is good, but if you have around 4 years experience, you will get a senior position probably. The skills which required is network, web, API, and mobile application pen testing. These are the preferable certificates. If you have OSCP, OSCP Plus, and OSEP, then probably you'll get a this job very quickly, right? Location is Chennai and Bangalore. It's a 30 days notice period job. Like if you got selected within 30 days, you need to join. And this is the mail ID. Company name is Orisec, right? So basically, what you are going to do, as I told you, but source code review and threat modeling knowledge is very important. Not mandatory, but if you have, then you will get a very good response, right? Now, next one is again a pen tester's role. So requirement is you should have knowledge about OWASP top 10, OWASP API, NIST, and another frameworks that we have in the market. Second is Linux knowledge, security tools such as Nessus, Burpsuit, Metasploit is required. So I feel like this is also fresher job, and because they are looking for the web application pen tester. Second, the responsibility is you need to pen test the networks, the internet null networks, web application access point, and mobile application. And they have couple of products, so you need to test out the product as well. You need to perform the vulnerability assessment on the configuration that they have on to their Windows and Linux system, databases, network, and appliances, right? So this is a mail ID carrier.computeredtech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is basically for the VAPT and application security consultant. This is again for freshers, right? So this is yesterday I got a message like a couple of people were looking for a freshers job. So you can check out this one. This is a full-time job and it's in Noida, which is in Delhi NCR, right? You what you need to do, you need to do vulnerability assessment pen testing on web application, on applications, right? Mobile applications, and sometimes you need to work with the API as well, API security, and SDLC as well, secure development life cycles, right? So what you will work on, API, basic network pen testing in web application. Second thing is you need to know how you should find the vast top 10 vulnerabilities, right? And how you can validate all those vulnerabilities. Third is you should have knowledge about manual and automation based testing tools. Basics of source code review is required. SDLC security testing, which is till the ticketing level, right? And the other you can see a couple of things which is required, right? This is I told you for the freshers, but if you have EJPT, right, you'll be having a plus point with you, and CEH again. If you have CEH and EJPT, you'll be having a very hard hand to you, right, for getting this job. But if you have anyone, you can apply still, right? This is optionals, right? But if you have, then probably you'll get this job very quickly, right? This is a mail ID hr@adaptus.com, right? And just let me know if you want any help on all those things. Next is again for the freshers, which is on application security analyst. I don't know why they are looking for female candidate because it's for security, but I don't know why exactly they're looking for female candidates. It's an immediate joining. This is a Delhi based job, right? And like you should have relevant degrees, BTech in CS, MCA, BCS, BCA, all those things, right? And if you have done any internship, then probably you'll get this job then very quickly, right? And immediate joiners are very preferable. Female candidates are will be encouraged, but just let me know why they're looking for the female candidates. Meanwhile, if you're looking for training of internship program web application pen testing, you can check out this URL. If you're looking for associate training of internship program, you can check out this URL, right? And rest, if you want to apply for this job, this is the mail ID hr authentic.com, and this is what you need to write in the subject line: application security freshers oblique Delhi, right? Now next one is there is a walk-in drive in uh, I guess it's in Chennai, if I'm not wrong, right? It's in Pallavaram. It's in South probably. So yes, in Chennai. So they want 2 to 5 years experience is required in VAPD and offensive security, which is red teamer for sure. And 13th and 14th is the date on which there is a walk-in drive. This is location where you need to reach out. Timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Right, and the other qualification which is required. Just pause this video. You can check it out. What are the things which is required, right? And who can apply? Those who have security profession, those who already work, and there are some things which usually startups, right, but think of your own. If you want to apply, if you're from local area, then you can apply, right? Else I'll recommend you to not apply for this job role, right? It's on tomorrow is the last date for application deadline, right? So just do it wisely. Now that's what for today. This is a Discord URL. If you want to join the Discord channel of VIH group, you can join from here. We have another YouTube channel, Cyber and Coffee, where we bring some good videos as well, right? Meanwhile, you can check out both the URLs. So I guess that's what we have today. It's already late, so I need to end up this session, right? So we'll be taking comments tomorrow itself, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.